Separators are used to create space between teeth. The goal is for me to put the separator in and for it to stay in until the next visit, but if it doesn't, you can replace it yourself at home. You take the separator, you put a piece of floss through the little blue bead, and you fold it back on itself so that you have a handle. Then you take a second piece of floss, you put it through the same bead, and fold it back on itself. So now you have two handles, which you can stretch to make the separator go between the teeth. Open as big as you can, honey. Can you see the spot? Okay. So you can stretch it down from the top, or you could put the floss down and then bring it across to the other side. And then pull it halfway out. And you can see sometimes it pulls all the way out when you do that, so let's try again. I'm going to put the floss down, pull it across, and we're trying to get it to surround the contact between the teeth. So try to get in close, you can see where it is. Okay, I'm going to pull the floss back out again. I'm putting my finger on top of the separator, so when I pull the floss, I don't pull the separator out, otherwise you'd be frustrated putting it back in and taking it out and putting it back in and taking it out when the goal is to leave it in. So there is a separator stuck between her teeth. Thank you.